हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको द लाइट ऑफ एशिया बुक द थर्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। क्वेश्चन है, गिव ए करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ द प्रिंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द टेक्स्ट रीड। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। पुस्तक के पढ़े हुए भाग के आधार पर राजकुमार का चरित्र चित्रण करो। आंसर, प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ वाज द सन ऑफ शुद्धोधन द किंग ऑफ कपिलवस्तु। He was brought up with great care and love. He is the hero of the poem. He is the main character round whom the whole story moves. Heading है, A life of comfort and luxury. Prince Siddharth lived a life of comfort and luxury in the pleasure palace. He had no idea of old age, sickness or death. In fact, he lived a life of peace, happiness and love in the company of a young wife, Yasodhara. But he was all the time restless and cried, "My world, oh world, I hear, I know, I come." Heading है, A man of destiny. The prince was godly. His destiny called him. In his sleep he felt that the world was calling him. He heard a message of Devas on the veena. He was born to be the savior of mankind. The voice of the wind said to him, "Rise, Maya's child, wake, slumber not again." His life shows that the coming events cast their shadows before. Heading है, Desire to see the world. The prince lived in an unreal world. He did not know anything about the world beyond his palace gates. He wanted to see the world outside the palace. He wanted to see the things as they were. So he went to see the city with his charioteer twice. Second time the prince went as a merchant, having seen sickness and death. The prince said to Channa, "It is enough, mine eyes have seen enough." Heading है, kind-hearted. The prince was very kind-hearted. When he saw tears in the eyes of Yasodhara, he at once smiled to please her. He asked the musician to play on the veena. Every painful sight moved his heart with pity and sympathy. When he saw the sick man crying with pain, he lifted him. He put the head of the sick man on his knee. Channa told him that he could catch infection from the sick man. What the prince did not care. He went on holding and comforting the sick man. In short, Siddharth was not an ordinary man. He was born to save the suffering humanity, he declared. I would not let one cry whom I could save. Brought up means पालन पोषण किया गया. Comfort means आराम. Luxury means विलासता. Restless means बेचैन. डेस्टिनी मीन्स भाग. इवेंट्स मीन्स घटनाएं. सिंपैथी मीन्स सहानुभूति. लिफ्टेड मीन्स उठा लिया. नी मीन्स घुटना. सफरिंग ह्यूमैनिटी मीन्स पीड़ित मानवता. डिक्लेयर्ड मीन्स घोषणा की. क्वेश्चन, हु वाज चन्ना? डिस्कस हिज रोल एंड इम्पोर्टेंस इन द पोएम. चन्ना कौन है? कविता में उसकी भूमिका तथा महत्व का वर्णन करो. और डिस्कस द पार्ट प्लेड बाई चन्ना इन द पोएम. इस कविता में चन्ना की भूमिका की व्याख्या करो. इम्पोर्टेंट है. आंसर, चन्ना वाज द चैरिटियर ऑफ प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ. ही वाज द फ्रेंड एंड गाइड ऑफ द प्रिंस. ऑन द फर्स्ट विजिट ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ कपिलवस्तु, चन्ना वेंट विद द प्रिंस as his charioteer. On the second visit, the prince was dressed like a merchant and Channa was in the dress of his clerk or servant. Heading है, his role in the poem. Channa played a very important role in the life of Siddharth. The prince knew nothing about the world. He put every question to Channa. As a true friend and guide, Channa removed his doubts. On his first visit to the city, the prince saw an old man. The prince asked Channa if old age would come to all. Channa told the prince the meaning of the old age. He also explained that old age comes to all. On the second visit to the city, Channa explained the meaning of the sickness and death. Like a philosopher, he explained the philosophy of life. He said that none is immortal in the world. Channa was honest and truthful. He told the prince what the reality was. He did not hide anything. Channa played his role very well. Heading his importance. Channa was the true guide of the prince. Without his proper guidance, the prince would have remained ignorant. In fact, the story would be quite different. The prince said, "The well is rent which blinded me. It was possible only due to Channa." In fact, he was friend, philosopher and guide of the prince. चैरिटियर मीन्स सारथी, रथ हाँकने वाला. मर्चेंट मीन्स व्यापारी. रियलिटी मीन्स वास्तविकता. फिलोसफर मीन्स दार्शनिक. इमॉर्टल मीन्स अमर. हाइड मीन्स छिपाना. गाइडेंस मीन्स पथ प्रदर्शन. क्वाइट मीन्स बिल्कुल. डिफरेंट मीन्स भिन्न. इग्नोरेंट मीन्स अज्ञानी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, थ्रो लाइट ऑन द कैरेक्टर ऑफ यशोधरा एंड शुद्धोधन. यशोधरा तथा शुद्धोधन के चरित्र पर प्रकाश डालिए. हेडिंग है आंसर यशोधरा. यशोधरा was the wife of Prince Siddharth. We do not see her much in the poem. We find the following qualities in her character. Heading है ideal wife. Yasodhara was the ideal and faithful wife. She was very beautiful. Her only ambition was to make her husband happy. She always cared for his rest and comfort. When the prince slept, she fanned him with love. When the prince startled up from his sleep, he was much troubled. She asked the prince, "What else, my lord?" After having seen the old man, the prince returned home. He did not take food. He was restless. Yasodhara sank to his feet and wept. "Hath not my lord comfort in me?" Heading a center of prince's deep love. Prince Siddharth loved Yasodhara deeply. He slept with his head on her breast. She lulled him and fanned him. When the prince saw tears in her eyes, he at once smiled. To please her, he asked the musician to play on the veena. Thus she got the prince's deep love. In short, Yasodhara was beautiful, sweet-tempered and ideal Hindu wife. Heading है शुद्धोधन. Heading a worthy king. Shuddhodhan was the king of Kapilvastu. He was very powerful. He was a very able king. He wanted to see his son a great king. When the prince wished to go to see the city second time, he consulted his ministers. The king was liberal. When the hermit explained to him the meaning of his dream, he sent rich gift after him, adding a loving father. King Shuddhodhan loved his son very much. He wanted him to become a Chakravarti king. He did not want that his only son should leave the world and become a saint. So the king provided all kinds of comfort and luxuries in the palace. The prince never felt the pain or sorrow. When the prince wished to see the city for the first time, the king ordered that the city should be decorated. No ugly sight should come before the eyes of the prince. He took all possible steps to check him from knowing the suffering of human life. After the first visit of the prince, he doubted the guards at palace's gate. After the second visit, he tripled the guards, but who shall shut out fate? The king fell to check destiny. Thus we see that the king loved the prince deeply. He tried his best to keep him happy. Ideal means others. Ambition means अभिलाषा. Startled means चौंक पड़ते थे. Sweet tempered means मधुर स्वभाव वाली. Worthy means योग्य. Able means योग्य. Liberal means उदार. Provided means व्यवस्था की, उपलब्ध किए. Destiny means भाग्य. Tripled means दुगने कर दिए. Doubled means दुगने. क्वेश्चन है, yet who shall shut out fate? Discuss the statement in reference to the attempts made by the king to keep the prince away from the pain and suffering of the world. परंतु जो भाग्य में लिखा है उसे कौन टाल सकता है। राजा ने राजकुमार को संसार के दुखों तथा कष्टों से दूर रखने के लिए जो प्रयास किए उनके संदर्भ में इस कथन की व्याख्या कीजिए। और वाई नॉट द किंग ट्राई टू कीप द प्रिंस अवे फ्रॉम द पेन एंड सफरिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। राजा ने राजकुमार को संसार के दुख व दर्द से दूर रखने का प्रयास क्यों किया। आंसर, फेट प्लेस एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन मैंस लाइफ। व्हाट इज fated cannot be changed. Human efforts are of no use in this field. This is well explained in the Light of Asia. When Siddhartha was born, a sage came to king's palace. He predicted that the prince would be either a Chakravarti king or a great saint. He would give new light to the world. He would become immortal in this way. The king was disturbed by this prophecy. He did not want that his only son should leave the palace and be a hermit. He wanted his son to be a king, so he tried his best to keep the prince away from pain and suffering of the world. The king married him to a beautiful princess Yasodhara. He built for the prince a palace of pleasure. When the prince wanted to go out of his palace to see the city, the king took every care about the prince's visit. The people were ordered to decorate the city. The prince should not see any ugly sight. No blind, weak, sick, old and leper should appear before the prince. There should be pleasant sight all around. Even then the prince saw an old man. The king tried his best to change his mind, but all his attempts were of no use. The prince went to visit the outside world once again. This time he saw a sick man and then a dead body. The effect of every sight was very deep on him. He was filled with pity for suffering humanity. At last he decided to leave the world and wander about in search of nirvana. Thus we see that the fate played its role. The attempts of the king to shut out fate failed. Fate means भाग्य, human efforts means मानवीय प्रयास, predicted means भविष्यवाणी की, prophecy means भविष्यवाणी की, bars means सलाखें, leper means कोढ़ी, pleasant sight means सुखद दृश्य, attempt means प्रयास, pleasure means आनंद, immortal means अमर, decorate means सजाना, wander means घूमना। Question. Describe briefly what the prince saw during his 2 visits of the city of Kapilvastu. Answer. It was the first visit of the prince to the city of Kapilvastu. Channa was driving the chariot of the prince through the street. The streets were crowded with happy and laughing people. The prince felt pleased when he saw the welcoming people. The women and the children out of the crowd. Suddenly came out a very old man. His clothes were dirty and torn. His skin was dry and dark. His back was bent. His limbs were cribbed. His eyes were dirty. He could not see well. His body was trembling due to weakness. On being asked, Channa told the prince that was an old man. Everybody gets old after a certain time. After some time, the prince was out on his record visit to the city of Kapilvastu. Again the streets were alive with laughing people. The babies were their mothers. The prince saw artisans working there. He also saw temple walls, gateway, the rivers and the bridge. Then he was shocked to find a sick man on the roadside. He was in agony and mourning for keep. He was writhing in dust. There were blotches on his body, his limbs bodily itching. Channa explained that he was sick with some disease. Anyone could fall sick like him and die in agony. The information and the sight made the prince thoughtful and sad.
ही आस्क्ड चन्ना टू टेक हिम बैक टू द पैलेस। थैंक्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।